Hey yo, welcome to Hillbilly Garage. I know it's been a minute since we talked, and I really want to apologize, but my camera lady was a little under the weather there, so we had to get that taken care of. She's fine now though. She's back on the job and behind the camera, and everything's good. We got some really good news, so praise the Lord for that. But I guess we haven't really talked since Thanksgiving, but there really hasn't been a whole lot going on. A little bit here and there. But what we did get different is we've got a new project in the garage. We picked up a little 318 Magnum motor from a guy that I'm quickly becoming friends with. He's up in Marietta. He's a real good guy. Firefighter, thank you for that. But he's a hot rod guy and he's a Mopar guy, so I mean you just gotta like him, you know what I mean? So anyway, he had this one laying around in the shop. Matter of fact, it's the same one I bought Tic Tac off of, and yeah, she's sitting right there. And that one is actually in the process of finding a home. So we'll keep you updated on that. But picked up this motor and turns over real good. Everything is free. But we have decided to call this one Crusty Bucket, because it's almost as bad as Sludge Monster was, except this stuff ain't goo, this stuff is crust. So anyway, if y'all want to come in a little bit closer, we'll take a peek at it here. I've already done a little bit so we can show you what kind of shape this is in, but you can see the spider hold down for the lifter retainer. It's pretty nasty. It's pretty cruddy. And you can see down in the valley, we've just got all kinds of crust. Now, like I said, this stuff, it's sticky, but nothing is stuck. Valve train moves, everything rotates, and we'll take a better look on the inside after we get her tore down a little bit more.
And it's from not changing your oil, people.
Yep, this is some more of that lack of oil maintenance problems. And you can see it real good here on the bottom of the distributor. This is the kind of buildup that you got. I had to pry this and hit it with a hammer because it was stuck. But anyway, this is the kind of buildup that you get.
So if you want to be lazy and your engine locks up on you, come to see us and buy a new engine.
Now, we'll take a quick peek. Like I said, I've already done a little bit of prep work. But you can look in that valve cover. It's not terrible. Obviously, this thing sits somewhere with some moisture because it drew some. But that one ain't bad. But take a look at this one. I mean, and I wish we had smell-o-vision again, because oh my gosh, it stinks.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's...
Tell them what it smells like.
I don't know, rotten fish that's been laying in sweat socks or something. It's awful.
There you go. Now you have a visual and a mental picture.
But anyway, like I said, you can see that the crust is pretty bad. And as a matter of fact, the moisture has absolutely destroyed these push rods. There's no salvaging them. You can see, I think, hopefully, you can see the pits that are...
Hold on, wait, let me get it closer.
The pits that are all in the metal. I mean, the corrosion has just destroyed these things. And, you know, there ain't no cleaning these. These are they just got to be replaced. Because, I don't know, maybe they could be all right, but I doubt it. Because It's just deteriorated. It's ugly. But yeah, there's layers of crust all everywhere. Good, heavy, solid stuff. And you can see in the rocker arms, and this is after I've knocked some of it off, but there's just corrosion, trash, oil, dirt, grime. Fortunately though, here in the contact points, here and down in the rocker, there was still oil laying in there. So the corrosion monster wasn't able to totally destroy this thing. Because this is what they look like after you clean them up. So, it's pretty good. I mean, it's solid. Like I said, there's nothing we can do for these push rods. They're just junk. They gotta go. I wouldn't trust them. I wouldn't feel good about running them. So we will take care of that. Now, something that I have not attempted yet is to try to get lifters up out of here. I don't know if, I mean, they're probably crudted. They may not come out. But we'll find out together. These are going to clean up fine. They're just covered in greasy grime. So let me go grab a magnet.
Which one are you starting with?
I'm just going to see if there's one or two I can get up out of there. Like I said, I haven't touched them at all. I don't know if, I mean, they could slide right out. I kind of doubt it, but it could happen. I'm telling you folks, this stinks. We need some light, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
It's dark in there.
Much
There
better.
we go, that's better. Yeah. Two loops.
Pretty sticky.
Yeah,
He's putting quite a bit of pressure on that, guys. It ain't moving.
they'll turn.
Ooh, it smells like an animal barn.
They won't come up.
You know that smell of your barn when it's 90 degrees and it's time to clean the stalls?
Honestly, I don't even know if it's that good.
It's pretty stinky.
It's bad.
All you farmers know what we're talking about.
Oh, nope. I'm not going to be able to get any of them out. And it's just because,
Well, that one's going to come out, maybe.
well, maybe. I probably got it as far as it wants to go. Yep. No, we're going to have to soak these down a little bit. See if we can't get some corrosion. Wait a minute. Nope. Okay, well, sorry, y'all. We're going to have to take another look at those later. See? They move fine where they're supposed to move, but they've just got corrosion around the skirt that's got it bogged up. So I don't want to force it and
Here,
mess
put
anything
your-
up.
Take your screwdriver and lift some of that up out of there so they can see how thick it is.
Yeah. See, it's just crumbly. It's just rolling all over the place.
It's not sticky like Sludge
It
Monster
ain't like
was.
Sludge Monster. It's just scaly crust.
So this is what happens when you don't change your oil.
Yeah. And the lesson here is this stuff gets to laying around where the oil's supposed to move, and now this turn's not blocked, but this stuff can build up and it prevents oil from moving the way that it needs to move, and you know, piles up here and blocks the oil so it don't return right. You know, oil is supposed to be able to move around freely on all these flat spots, but we'll get her cleaned up. But I'm gonna have to work a little bit harder on them lifters. I don't want to tear anything up. But anyway, this is Crust Bucket. And like I said, when we get her tore down a little bit further, we'll take a better look at what else we got going on. I'm really hoping we get good news down in the cylinders, but we will see. And like every other project, this is just going to be cleaning, and more cleaning. But that's how you revive them and bring them back to life. You erase the years of neglect and get it all back to a fresh start. I want to ask everybody to like and subscribe, and I want to say thank you to all that do subscribe. We've got some new ones that have come on recently. I want to thank all y'all. Welcome to the channel. We hope that you come back regularly.
If you have a project in mind and you need an engine, give us a shout out and we'll see if we can help you.
And you can reach out to us on R&B Engine Revival on Facebook through the messenger, and we can communicate that way. And you know, if you got something in mind, we'll talk about it, see if we can't make it happen. Everybody have a great evening. Thank you. We appreciate you. Y'all we'll see you again real soon. We'll make a little progress on this project here. We'll see you now. Bye.